lawyer of Sushant Singh Rajput's family, is now joining us. Vikas Singh, thanks a lot for speaking to CNN News 18. How do you look at the arrest of Siddharth Pitani, albeit by the NCB? Do you believe this can have any impact on the death probe itself?
Well, according to me, this arrest will have no impact whatever onto the death probe because this is a completely different case. If you see the FIR filed registered by the family, there is no mention of any drug angle. The drug angle was chanced upon by the CBI, and they gave this information to the NCB. And in fact, not even the CBI, it was by the ED who first saw the drug angle, and they gave it to the NCB, and that is how the NCB stepped in. But this is some kind of a poetic justice. This fellow had to be arrested long time back, and I have been saying this right from the beginning that he's the mastermind behind whatever be the real cause of death of Sushant Singh Rajput, whether it be murder or whether it be abetment to suicide. Most likely it is murder. And Pitani was there, and Pitani has definitely played a very mischievous role in this whole case. If you will recall, he was trying to be with the family so that, when the FIR got registered, his name was not there as one of the accused. And immediately after the FIR got registered, he wrote email to Riya Chakravarti trying to help her in her case in this battle. So his role is definitely very dubious. So there is a poetic justice of his being arrested.
No, interestingly, you say Siddharth Pitani is the mastermind of whatever happened to Sushant, not Riya Chakravarti.
No. Mastermind of the happenings in the home on that day. So Riya was not there in the home that day, and Siddharth Pitani was there. And if you recall, the lockmaker, when he got the lock open. If there was an urgency to open the room, he should have opened it without asking the lockmaker to go out of the door, and then, so that he doesn't see what is inside the room. So there were a lot of suspicious circumstances to suggest that he had a very major role, because there is a behind the scene player and there is a on the scene player. So behind the scene was Riya all the time, and on the scene was Siddharth Pitani. So Siddharth Pitani was the most important witness as far as the actual happenings that happened in the household of Sushant Singh Rajput that night is concerned. And also
on the day his body was found, sure. But you are also indicating, Vikas Singh, that the drug angle does not have much of a bearing on Sushant probe. Otherwise, the speculation is that the drugs are very much intricately linked to what happened to him.
No, so drug angle definitely will have some implication in the long run, but drug angle is not the case of the family. That's all that I said. Because the family did not get a case registered under the drug act, because the family, if you recall, the family initially had filed an FIR for abetment to suicide only. That was the information, because when they were discussing the case with me prior to the registration of the FIR, I was very keen that they should give me the entire details, and unless they were specific about having doubts of somebody having murdered him, or having some proof of the murder actually taking place, it was not fair on my part to get the FIR murder straight away registered. So that is why when the FIR was being drafted, I took exactly what the family told me, and according to whatever doubts they had, the FIR, if you see the FIR, it is basically for abetment to suicide. But immediately after the abetment to suicide FIR, the way things, moved very fast, if you will recall last year, and way, Pitani did a flip-flop, and how this further investigation revealed of whether he was actually killed or not killed, and the locksmith, how he came in and went out, etc. Why did they not wait when the sister was 10 minutes away to open the room in her presence? If they could wait for the locksmith to go out of the house, they could have waited for the sister to come in 10 minutes time. She was only 10 minutes away. So either you were in a hurry or you were not in a hurry. You were in a hurry to send the locksmith away, but you were not in a hurry to wait for the sister to come. So many circumstances unfolded immediately after the registration of the FIR, that if you will recall, the father of Sushant made a statement to the press that he actually feels it is a case of murder. But so far, the FIR still is the same, because FIR once registered can't be changed by the complainant, but definitely the statement has been given to the police, CBI, that it could be a case for murder. So This is definitely
Okay.
if the CBI were to supposing step
So,
in to take his custody as well, probably. But he's been sent to judicial custody, so I don't think there is any interrogation happening in this period.
okay. So my final question to you, Vikas Singh, obviously is what hopes do you have currently after everything that has happened? You know, over the last year, the AIMS forensic report, the fact that we are still waiting for a final report by the CBI, we don't really know where the investigation stands. What is your hope really from the CBI? Do you think that the death probe will also gain some sort of pace after Pithani's arrest? Or will you, what is the latest you know from the CBI on the probe?
So as far as my information with the CBI is concerned, CBI would not want to rush into something without having complete, proof to back it up. So that is why probably they are taking more time. My experience with the CBI has been, because I've been additional solicitor general also, and I've dealt with CBI as my client. My experience with the CBI is that they're a very professional
Yes.
organization, and they have their own means of breaking down a witness. So probably they must be in the process of coming to some kind of a finality as far as the cause of the death is concerned. And for that, they may require something very clinching. And that clinching is not coming in their hands. So I'm just waiting, something should come very soon because they're still on it. They have said several times that the investigation is still on. So I'm still quite hopeful. But yeah, of course, this delay is definitely quite heartbreaking. And I would have expected something to have come much earlier. But in a matter
Okay.
of this kind, when there was no eyewitness and there was, so much of mystery in the whole thing, for the CBI to take its own time is also justified if they have to get to something concrete. Thank you.
Can I ask you, Vikas Singh, when you talked about the family's doubts and on the basis of which you filed an FIR last year, that was an abetment to suicide FIR, do you believe the murder charge sticks still? And who does the murder charge stick on?
Well, who it sticks on is very difficult to say because there is no conclusive proof on. But even if it is murder or whether it is abetment to suicide, the player who would be abetting the murder or abetting the suicide would definitely be Riya Chakravarti and Pithani. Now, the who's the actual murderer? What is the motive? Why was he murdered? Under what circumstances he was murdered? All that is something which is still in the zone of speculation, and I would not like to speculate because unless there is some hard evidence coming, I would not like to speculate. But definitely,
Okay.
the mystery around the death definitely points towards Dan suicide. Thank you.
All right. I leave it at that. Vikas Singh, appreciate you joining us.